6 incredible steps to become a millionaire in 5 years or less. It is quite normal to aim to become a millionaire. Many people always dream of having millions of money in their bank account, but that fact is, not all people can achieve it really. Let us leave those and focus on a few people who make it happen in reality. So if you want to become a millionaire, then definitely you need to be one of the few. Citibank, Union Bank, and HSBC, among others, have created accounts that come with special perquisites for the ultra-rich, such as personal bankers, waived fees, and the option of placing trades. The ultra-rich are considered to be those with more than $30 million in assets. Here are steps to become a millionaire in 5 years. Understand and follow it for a better future. A millionaire is an individual whose net worth or wealth is equal to or exceeds 1 million units of currency. Hence, a person must have a net worth of at least 1 million USD to be recognized as a millionaire anywhere in the world. If you start making money at 16 years old, you would need to earn $305 per day to make it to $1 million by 25. Starting at 18, when you graduate high school, means you would need to earn $391 per day to make it to $1 million by age 25. Examples of cash equivalents are money market mutual funds, certificates of deposit, commercial paper, and treasury bills. Some millionaires keep their cash in treasury bills that they keep rolling over and reinvesting. They liquidate them when they need the cash. Many self-made millionaires have money coming in from several places, including their salaries, dividends from investments, income from rental properties, and investments they have made in other business enterprises, to name a few examples. If one income stream slows down, there's another that can take its place. Develop a perfect financial plan. Be brave and take risks. Overcome excuses, improve the confidence. Earn a lot of money. Save money from your earning. Invest the money wisely. Develop a perfect financial plan. Everyone plan their financial plan or money spending plan, as it gives a clear picture on how much you spend on different things in their life. If you want to become a millionaire, first you should learn to make more money. For that you should alter your financial plan. Before altering your financial plan, go for research that gives a clear vision on how to develop a workable financial plan. The research should be on people who are making more money in for years. Not all those people are born millionaires, they also have started their journey from minimum or even from scrap. By studying their style of money saving, it may help you to think and act like them. If you have the right visualization of your financial expenses, investments, and savings, it will help you to become a millionaire in a short period of time. Be brave and take risks. Most of the people who have become millionaires are entrepreneurs, and they are the ones who never hesitated to take risks in their business and life. To become a millionaire, first, you have to start your own business. If you are brave enough to start up a business, then that will be a great step which takes to the path where you end up as a millionaire. Not that starting a business is enough to become a millionaire. The most important thing is you have to be successful in your business, and that completely depends on the way how you run your business. You have to learn more about your business to spend long hours and have to work hard to lay a better foundation for your business. Therefore, it is very important while deciding your business choices. Go for the one which you know very well and in which you are confident that you can stand and run the business. Incorporating innovative ideas in your business will help you to lead the business in a profitable way. Overcome excuses, improve the confidence. Actually, making excuses is one of the easy ways to escape from or to hold back from anything which you are interested. But this is mere useless. You should give space for these diversions. Instead, you should find a solution to overcome those diversions or excuses. Be strong in your goal and learn where you are in your success path and plan yourself to go ahead. For that, you have to find a way or solution to keep all your diversions and excuses aside. Overcoming those excuses is not very simple as to think, but you can do if you give the first priority to your goal. To overcome the excuses, just identify them first and figure out the suitable solutions to get over them. A tight time schedule of work will power to reach the goal, and confidence will definitely help to produce the targeted results. Earn a lot of money. The main key to becoming a millionaire is to earn more. By earning more, your financial level will increase. Earn more is not an easy task. With 100% of a work dedication, innovative ideas for business and marketing and sacrifice will surely increase your income, the two within a few years of time. Earning more is important, but saving more is also important because it will help you concentrate on making more revenue by elevating your business and also by starting some sister business relating to your main business. Definitely, it will take time to build up your own business, however, developing in a gradually way will provide a strong foundation. Save money from your earning. After reaching a standard in your business, starting saving the money by making changes in the financial plan, business needs, and lifestyle. Instead of luxury things or luxury lifestyle, focus on simple and healthy living. By adopting these changes, you can surely take 25 to 35% of your income for your saving money. You should not get diverted in the halfway, as you may get enough of money and status in this stage itself, but that is not what you needed. You have half a way to reach your goal, so by practicing serious saving plans you can avoid wasting money. When you regularly put away 10% of your earnings, you soon become comfortable living on the other 90%. Many people start by saving 10% of their income and then graduate to saving 15%, 20%, and even more. And their financial lives change dramatically as a result. Try to figure out the way how can you spend and how can you save for the future. And set your mind to be happy with what you have and what you can use. Invest the money wisely. Investing is the right way to earn from your savings. Here again, you must be ready to take risks as in the beginning, but their time you have more clarity as you can figure which type of business or investment is right for your business ad or your growth. Learn how to reinvest the profits in the business. You can invest your savings or profits in various business sectors that related to your main business. Like if your main business is oil refining, then you can invest your profits in business related to raw materials used for oil refining business, or you can extend your business geographically, national to international, and so on. But before making all reinvestments, you must study the stock market or business market thoroughly, as some may provide compound interest for your investment. The type of investment may help you to earn a good amount of revenue. Depending on the business type, owner's talent, profit margins, and work put forth, a business after 5 years could make any person a millionaire. Even though there are other paths to achieve this goal, by this one of the best researched ways with the probable chance of achieving that in 5 years. So I hope that you like the video. If you have understood the following process, then focus on that and be ready to be successful. Do subscribe the channel and show your love by liking the video. Be wealthy and healthy. Thank you.